Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and today I'll be showing you a brief overview of the DoubleJump plugin and how you can download and install it on your server. DoubleJump is an efficient plugin that has many features and configuration possibilities, such as spawn particles when a player uses DoubleJump and playing a sound when the player double jumps. There are also double jump streaks that show up above your hotbar when you double jump. You have the possibility to disable using DoubleJump in selected worlds, and enable or disable DoubleJump mode for specific players using the /DoubleJump command. You can also configure the delay in between jumps in the configuration file of the plugin. First, you're going to need to go to the plugin's website. You can find the link in the description below. Go to the versions section from the menu at the top. Make sure the plugin is compatible with the version your server is on. Go to the plugin version you want, then click the green download button to the left. This will instantly download the plugin. We recommend dragging the file to your desktop so it's easier to find. Head on over to the control panel of your VPS server. Then go to Create Service. Make sure the service selected is Minecraft Java Edition, then under Type make sure to select Paper, Spigot, Bucket, or Sponge, depending on the plugin version you downloaded earlier. Make sure the Minecraft version is compatible with the plugin. Then click Install on the bottom to create your server. Next, head over to your Files section and open the Plugins folder. Now you want to drag and drop the plugin file into this folder. Then you can restart your server and wait till it's online to see if the plugin has installed correctly. After doing so, head over to the console tab to make sure your plugin is installed. You can see it's installed and it says done near the bottom. Make sure there aren't any errors relating to the plugin. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to see more from our channel. If you have any further questions or problems, don't hesitate to contact us. We will leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching!